Okay guys, I just wanted to finish what I started, so let me check. I actually went and finished what I was doing in the PLC program for the lights to blink with a timer. Is made for it so that it consecutively blinks each one of the lights. So now I'm gonna go into the factory TalkView Studio and create those lights. Let's do an object indicator multi-state. And use these two states. We can delete these other two. For 0 we can put off and label it black. Can leave the same. State 1 we can put on and put the back color in green so that we know it's on. And last thing we're gonna do is gonna map the lights. Let's do light 1. Hit OK. We can now copy this object 4 times for the 4 lights. And we'll just change the mapping here. We can do it this way. Hit apply if we know the name, or we can just go ahead and look for it again. Light number 3 and light number 4. Let's put some little text here so we know which one is one. Number 1. You can copy it and use it again. This one's okay. Light 1, light 2, light number 3, and light number 4. Okay, now we got them all configured. We can go and hit play. We just see them blinking. See, light number 1 should go to number 2, then to number 3, and so on. Let's see it here. If we hit stop, it should stop. No lights. If we hit start again, it should start blinking consecutively again. Alright, so I hope that is enough, and hope to hear from you soon. Cheers guys, take care, bye.